Hello. Oy, thank you, Daddy, for your gift. Good job.
Today, we have to let go of Arya's jumperoo. A jumperoo or jumper is a combination of swing and spinning of a baby seat. This can be used as early as 4 months. She had her jumperoo when she turned 6 months. She learned to hop, bounce, and jump. She stayed active while nasa jumperoo, and she was able to practice to stand on her feet in preparation for walking. And of course, this allowed me to do some house chores, and I'm feeling confident that my baby is safe while she is playing. I can say jumperoo helps my baby to develop her motor skills, like bring hands to mouth, hold hands together, jumps with both feet, and climbing, and more.
Aba, marunong na siya mag-jump. O, jump ka pa, jump. Jump. Honey, 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 bunny, hop, hop, hop. Honey, 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 bunny, hop, hop, hop. Ay, sus. Oy, 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 oy. Hop, 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 and stop. Ay, hop, 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 and stop. Ay.
And there was this time na nakatulog talaga siya sa jumperoo kasi ang aga niyang gumising. Plus, siguro napagod din siya kakalaro, diba? Kaka-jump. And we are happy that another baby and family will get to enjoy this jumperoo. I got a little bit emotional because my baby shows that she is growing up so fast. By letting go of her jumperoo means she is moving up to another milestone. She can now walk with little assistance, and she wanted to explore more on her surroundings. And for that, thank you jumperoo for your service. We had 3 months of wonderful memories with you.
Dahan-dahan lang. Oo. Oy. Hop, 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 and stop. Ayaw mag-stop. Ala, tuwa-tuwa siya. Ala.